What's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. It's my YouTube channel, Dalton My World, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a mini game console, and it has 620 classic games on it, including Mario. Now, here's the deal. It also comes with these two little mini guest gaming pad for your hands. I don't know what they call them. Anyway, also, and I'm really excited about it. Also, they work on older television. So if you have older television, you can get these gaming consoles because you don't have to have HDMI. Okay. Now, I also at the same time bought a connector, and this connector is called HDMI to AV. HDMI to AV, you can use it on older TVs that do not have HDMI, and it will give you HDMI, so you can use stuff like Chromecast, etc. All right, even some old gaming consoles. Even some gaming consoles that have old games and classic games on them that use HDMI. You can use it. Okay, so basically anything that uses HDMI, now your old TV can use it. All right. Now, I've been wanting to buy this for a long time, so I want to give a shout out to my mom, Stephanie, Robin. Gave me birthday gifts that I'm still using, and I thank you. And I thank for all your birthday wishes that you all gave me in April. Okay. I am Aries. Anyway, I love this gaming console. I mean, it is so cool. All right, and I'm gonna post pictures of it so you can check it out and everything. And it didn't cost a lot. It only cost $29. Okay, and the cool thing about it is you don't have to have internet to play these games. All right, because the games are on the console, so you don't need internet to play these classic games. And yes, you do get Mario. Now, I want you to understand, I have never owned one of these. I have never owned anything like this before, so this is going to be the first time. But I wanted to utilize my old TV that I bought, and I showed you in the past video when I went to the thrift store, and it was on sale for $16. I wasn't even sure if it was going to work. And it's a Sonya, Sonya, HD TV. Okay, and I wasn't even sure it was gonna work, but it works. And I got it at half price too, which was kind of cool. All right, so I did get that at half price, which means that I got that television for $8. Okay, so I will show you pictures of that gaming console I got, and I got it. My mom actually gave me a really nice birthday present, so that was one of the gifts I gave myself from it. And I always wanted one, and I get to play with it. All right, and I will tell you more in just a minute. Okay, so hold tight. Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. I'm back inside. Now, what I have for you today is a unboxing. Okay? I've been waiting to get one of these for myself for a while. All right. Now, I got my drink, got my notes. All right. So, let's do this. Now, I bought this particular item. I bought this from Amazon. Okay, and I bought this for $29.95. Okay, so let's see what this says. Amazon. There it is, right there, babe. See if you can see that. Yep. Now, this is a mini game console. Okay, this is called a classic mini game console. This particular mini game console, I'm reading off my cue cards here. Okay, this is really unique because if you have an older television, okay, if you have an older television that do not have HDMI, and if you don't know what that means, that's a particular type of slot that a lot of new devices use. You have to have HDMI to use like Chromecast or Roku or anything such as that. And even with classic games, there's a lot of consoles that use HDMI slots, okay? But this one does not. This particular, that's one of the reasons I bought it. I didn't want to be handcuffed to having to use HDMI. This one works on older and newer machines. And basically, it has cards that connects to your AV output TV sockets in your, some people call them RCA. Okay, but these are the sockets. You know, I believe they're usually three colors, like white, yellow, and red. Okay, and some just have the white and yellow. Okay, and they're on the side of your TV. So this game will work on newer as well as older. The reason I got this one, because I have a older TV that I got on sale from this store for it was half price. So I got it for $8. Originally it was 16, and yes, it works. So, and I'm not a person who usually watch television, but you know, I have no problem with trying to play some classic games. Now, what's really unique about this console is that you don't need Wi-Fi. Let me repeat that. You don't need internet. You don't need Wi-Fi. Why? Because this console has 620 games, classic games, already installed in the console. Okay, so you don't need Wi-Fi. You don't need to download anything. Everything you need is already in that console right here. Okay, and it comes with 2 mini controllers, and it's got that nice classic look to it. Now, here's a funny story. I have never used controllers before in my life, never. So this is going to be a learning curve for me. The closest I ever used controllers was I have an ex-friend. I'm going to call him Mr. B. And one time I came from out of town. I went over to his house, and this was the first time he ever got an Xbox, right? So he was like, "Oh yeah, I want you to show you how to do it." So I was getting ready to use the controller, and it was some type of racing game because he loves racing games. He loves fast cars. So I'm sitting down there getting ready to use that controller, and he's like, "Oh, let me get your car. I'll set up for you." And he's done. Next thing I know, hour and a half later, he's still playing the game. I never touched a controller. That's close I ever came to touching a controller. So yeah, this is because I usually use my PC, you know, my mouse and my keyboard. So this is going to be a learning curve for me. Now, as I stated, this particular item is only $29.95, and I got it off of Amazon. Okay, and that was $29.95, and it was not on sale. That's the regular price. Okay, and what's so important about it not needing to be connected to the internet, or not needing to have HDMI socket, is that you can use it on older televisions. Okay. 2, if your internet goes out, your gaming does not. Okay. And before I go on anymore, let's check this out. Okay. Let's open the box. See that? Now, it automatically comes with the AV cables, okay, and this is called AV cables, okay, and this port right here most likely is going to connect into the console. It comes with its charger. Yeah, let's see here. Let's see what this looks like. This is cute. These are the mini consoles right here. See that? That's the mini consoles. And let's see here. And here is the mini box. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Of course, you see the hole go right here. Charger go right here. There you go. Okay. Power button. Reset button. And all the games are automatically installed in this console. And it's very lightweight, which is kind of cool too. Okay? Now, let's check out one of these mini controllers. Take it out of the wrapper here. Oh, yeah. Classic design. Lightweight. Cord long enough so you won't be all up on TV or your console. Of course, you know, this fits in here. Okay. And it automatically comes with two. And this is really, really interesting and really, really cool because if let's say your internet goes down, and this happened to one of my friends, and I told him, man, you need to start buying more DVDs and stuff because he relies a lot on the internet. I mean, that's his job. But let's say, for instance, your internet goes down, okay? If your internet goes down, and let's say it's down for 2 to 6 hours, okay? And let's say you get bored crazy. Well, cool thing about it, if you have one of these or something similar to this where the games are already on the system, you can spend a little bit of time playing some games while you're waiting for your internet to get back up. And more importantly, if you have kids, you got yourself a $29.95 babysitter for a couple hours. You know, you make them some snacks and keep them occupied. You know what I mean? So that is my unboxing. All right. And of course, so cool. It comes with user manuals. So yeah. All right. And a list of all 610 games that's in the system and the number in which they are located, so you can punch in that number. All right. Also, yes, they have Mario. I was reading some of the comments about the game console. Yes, they have Mario on there. So if you're getting a nostalgia, you want to get into the games, have a little fun for the inexpensive price, there you go. All right. And that is my unboxing of my cool classic mini game console that has 620 games on it. All right. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I shall wrap to you later. Peace.